Today, we're looking at how to make an Amaretto Sour. Let's go!
Oh yeah, this gonna be real good.
Let's take a look at what you're gonna need to make this cocktail. You're gonna want bourbon whiskey, amaretto liqueur, simple syrup, lemon juice, egg whites, and today's glass of choice, a rocks glass. As always, we're using a Ziploc bag because I'm making cocktails at home.
Oh shit!
And now, it's time to freak out! With your ingredients, first you're gonna want 3/4 of an ounce.
That ain't no bourbon, boy.
Never mind. First you're gonna want 1.5 ounces of your amaretto liqueur. And then 3/4 of an ounce of your bourbon whiskey. Next, 1/4 of an ounce of your simple syrup. And then 1 ounce of your lemon juice. And then lastly, 1/2 ounce of your egg whites. Now let's get this guy sealed up and shake off some demons.
You're out of control. You need to walk it off.
Now here's the thing. I have Alzheimer's. By rights, I should have dry shook this mixture with the egg whites in there to emulsify. But honestly, we're gonna run with it. If you want, you can dry shake beforehand, but this time, for the sake of this video, we're doing it with the ice in. Now let's get some ice in our glass. Next, let's double strain our mix. Then we're gonna finish it off with a nice little garnish. Beautiful. And just like that, our Amaretto Sour is complete. Now all that's left is to give it a little sip to see just what we're dealing with. Now that's a good ass cocktail. Hell yeah, baby. Whew, it's immaculate. It's delicious, it goes down the throat like magic. Goddamn, don't take my word for it. You take the sip. I love life. You know the drill, guys. You like my content, you like the videos I'm pumping out, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys for my next cocktail. It's gonna be around maybe next week sometime, who knows? But it's gonna be nice and sexy. I hope to see you there. You better be there. And you better be thirsty too. I'll see you for my next cocktail.